Hello my dear children, good morning you all. I am going to teach you fourth chapter of chemistry, chemical bonding. In this chapter, I am going to teach you about the formal charge. What is formal charge? Formal charge is the charge on an atom present within the molecule or ion. Within an atom, within a molecule or ion, the charges are present on various atoms. How we find the formal charge on any atom within a molecule or ion? This is the formula to find the formal charge. To find the formal charge, number of valence electrons in free state of that atom minus number of lone pair of electrons minus number of shared pair of electrons upon 2. This is the definition of formal charge. What is formal charge? Formal charge is the difference between number of valence electrons in free state and total number of electrons take part in sharing. This is the formula to calculate formal charge. Now I want to take an example. If we take O3, ozone, what is the formal charge on all these atoms in ozone? How we find the formal charge on each atom? First of all, we draw the electron dot structure of ozone. You know that all oxygen atoms contain 6 electrons like this. These 2 electrons are shared by this oxygen to complete octet, and this oxygen shares like this. Means it forms O double bond O and single bond O. This one is here 2 lone pair of electrons are present, here 1 lone pair of electron is present, and here 3 lone pair of electrons are present. Let this is first oxygen, this one is second oxygen, and this one is third oxygen atom. To find formal charge on first oxygen, what we do here, first of all you put the number of valence electrons in oxygen. This one is 6 minus number of lone pair of electrons, 2 plus 2 becomes 4, minus number of shared pair upon 2. 2 plus 2, 4 electrons are shared here. 4 by 2, it also becomes 2, means it becomes 0. 6 minus 4, 2 minus 2 equals 0. This is the formal charge on this oxygen atom. Now I am going to find formal charge on second oxygen. How we calculate it? See here, 6 is the valence electron minus 2 lone pair of electrons minus 2 plus 2, 4 plus 2. You know that each bond contains 2 electrons. Here 2 electron plus 2 electron plus 2 electron also here. Means it becomes 6 electrons. 6 by 2 means 3. On subtracting this, 6 minus 2, 4 minus 3 becomes plus 1. Means here the formal charge is 0, here the formal charge is plus 1. What is the formal charge on third oxygen? Formal charge on third oxygen equals 6 minus here 6 lone pair of electrons. What is lone pair? Lone pair is unshared pair. Okay. Unshared pair of electrons are called lone pair. 2 plus 2 plus 2. 6 minus 2 electrons are shared upon 2. 1. 6 minus 6, 0 minus 1 means minus 1. Here the formal charge is minus 1. Like this, we can calculate the formal charge on this oxygen or in any atom or molecule within an ion atom. Note here one SW. Find the formal charge. Question is find formal charge on each oxygen within CO3 double minus. Try to solve this. If any problem, then ask me. Okay, thank you.